In this Amplify tutorial, we're going to look at the brand voice feature, and I'll show you how to get this set up. This is a very, very important feature to set up early on, because if you're going to be using any of the AI functionality that's built throughout the Amplify platform, then you want to make sure that the system understands your tone, your brand voice, what you stand for, what your calls to action are, the different types of tonalities that you use when speaking about your various products and services. And you can do all of that by setting up a brand voice, and you only have to do it once. So what you're going to do is log into Amplify at app.earnworthy.com. You're going to go to settings and then scroll all the way down to the bottom where it says brand boards. You click on that, and that's going to take you to this brand board section. Now there's another way to get there as well. You can just click on marketing and then go to brand boards. Doesn't matter which way you get there, but you want to be on this brand boards page. Now you'll notice there are two tabs here. One is for a design kit and one is for a brand voice. The design kit helps you customize your brand's visual identity by managing logos, colors, and design elements for consistent communication across all platforms. This is very easy to set up. You can simply click add design kit. Here I already have one set up, so I'll just show you what it looks like. So I have a logo set. Now I'm supposed to have two logos here, but for this demo, we only have one logo, but I can easily update that one. I have my colors down here, and then I have typography, and all of that is managed right here. So you can choose your colors, you can choose the typography. It works with a whole bunch of fonts, including Google fonts, and then you want to save it and set it as the default. And yes, you can have more than one design kit and more than one brand voice if you're managing multiple brands from the same Amplify account. Now, brand voice, that's really where I want to focus, because this one takes a little bit more time to set up. So you want to click on brand voice. And again, if you don't have one in here already, you're not going to see one here. So you just have to click the blue button to add brand voice. But in this case, I already have one. So I'm just going to click on this one and click edit. And if you're starting one from scratch, you'll basically see the same thing. It just won't be populated with anything. So what I recommend doing, there's several ways you can go about filling this out. If you are using AI and you have an AI system, whether it's ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, whatever, and it's already trained on your brand voice and you've been working with it for a while and it has all of that context, then save yourself the trouble and don't manually try to fill out all of this information, because that's going to take a really long time. You can literally just select everything, right? Copy and paste this into your AI platform of choice, and you can instruct it to help you fill out these questions. And you really don't have to worry about it being perfect. Like, yes, it's going to copy a lot of weird data and it's going to look all messy when you paste it into your AI tool, but AI tools are smart enough these days to know what the overall idea is that you're trying to accomplish, and it's going to give you the specific responses that you should put in that's tailored to your brand voice. So then whatever your response is in the AI platform, for instance, it might say brand identity and marketing position, here's the response. You would copy that into this box, and then you'd work down and just make sure that each of these are filled out. You don't want to leave any blank. Even the ones that are not required, those are extremely important. So you want to have a complete brand voice, and you can kind of get a sense of what I did here with this demo account. This is a fictitious law firm. It's supposed to be humorous. So you want this to reflect the true brand voice and the identity of your company. And a lot of this information up here is very simple, standard stuff, so you shouldn't have any trouble filling that out as well. Then you just want to save your brand voice, and then the way you use it is anywhere you can generate text or content with AI, you should be able to pull up the brand voice. So for instance, if we go to the social planner, which is under the marketing tab, this is where you can schedule posts and reply to comments and things like that. If we go to the calendar, let's say that I want to create a new post and I want to post it to Facebook, and I want to use AI to help me. So I'm going to click the AI button. I'm going to click generate with AI. You see here, tone of voice, right? Preview brand voice. This is what you want to make sure is selected. So if this is disabled, all you have are these general tones of voice, which are not ideal. If you have a brand voice, I always recommend using that instead. So if we toggle this on, use brand voice, all we have to do is select the one from the list. If you only have one, there's only going to be one to select. And this will automatically train this AI on all of that information that you already filled out. So you don't have to keep repeating yourself about all those different things like your audience, your unique differentiator, your calls to action, things like that. Then you just fill out the rest of this, click generate, and it will create the content for you using your brand voice. So that's pretty much it in a nutshell. Everything is editable. So if your brand voice changes, if your brand changes, you can always go back under settings and update your brand voice. If you have any questions at all about this, you can always reach out to us at support@earnworthy.com. And that's going to do it for this video.